Good day to you, this is Rayn, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at pound dollar, shall we? So pound dollar on the daily chart can see that this is the last leg of the move. Market has break and closed above the previous high one time and two time. Alright, so overall trend is a bullish trend, and at 1.2774 is the level I'm looking for another extreme buying opportunity. Of course, hopefully it doesn't go that low. To the 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour chart, overall trend, let's have a look. It's also on a bullish trend. Alright, so as long as it doesn't break the similar price, it is good, it is fine. Alright, to the 1-hour chart, on the 1-hour chart, let's see. This last leg of the move, market break. Alright, so we are in a consolidation period. Overall trend is still bullish, but just a weaker bull because there's a break and close below this level. I'll retract that. It is, yeah, it broke this level again twice. Bullish trend. Alright, then market break below and close below. Right now on the 1-hour chart is on the bearish trend, so now it is really important to really follow those steps to analyze the overall market. Where is the starting point of the trend? You might need to use arrows and even trend lines to help you with that for a start. Then after that, you just get it, you're just able to see where is the wave without even plotting it. Then you see whether there's a break and close below the low or break and close above the high, where is the starting point and stuff like that. Alright, so when that happens, let's see, on the 1-hour chart, this is on a bearish turn. So let's say if the market retraces back to the previous high over here, and that's what I suspect I place a alert level. It is a great consideration for a trend trading opportunity based off the 1-hour chart to short. Now, but you have to know the overall picture for the 4-hour and daily is a bullish trend. So on the overall perspective, if you're looking at a buying opportunity, then on the 1-hour chart, I will be doing a counter trend move based off the 1-hour time frame, because overall the overcast over this entire 3 time frame I'm looking at, the middle and the high time frame is showing me a bullish trend. Make sense? So this is a combination of using a 3 steps framework, the APE, analyze, plan and execute, which I design. So analyze, you just analyze the overall trend. What does it trying to tell you? Is it a bullish trend, bearish trend, weaker bull or weaker bear setup? Alright, then you plan your trade. Are you counter trend trading, trend trading, or breakout trading? Which of such you are going to engage, and based on which strategy? So the planning part is the whole gist, the whole kind of work that you're doing. A lot of people go into just strategies. Oh, there's this pattern here, that pattern here, I'll just buy, I'll just sell. But what is your game plan? That is very, very important. What is the overall outlook of the market? That's very important as well. Alright, so this is something that you might want to take note, so that you can be an extraordinary trader, not just following this and that to engage a trade. And the last step is the most important, which is execute the trade. Don't laugh on that. I do meet people that after they analyze, they just don't dare to press the button. To some of them, they don't even want to press it on the demo account. Alright, so these are some of the self-work you have to work on yourself, that's for sure. On understanding that trading is not about getting it 100% in terms of the profitability, but you follow your rules to the 100% or as close as you can be. Alright, and don't break the rules without a firm reason and stuff like that. Alright, so maybe one of my podcast teaching, I'll talk about breaking rules and when you should and when you shouldn't. Alright, so back to daily chart, let me share with you my analysis. My analysis over here, there's a bullish flag pattern. Still looking at this, it might just end prematurely, meaning to say that not reaching the final or rather the maximum potential, and the market has drift off. Alright, so on the daily chart, one of the opportunity I'm waiting for is at 1.2351. Let's say if for that dip, this is the level I'm looking for a bullish back buying opportunity. Got it? Down to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, there is a overlap pattern. So the overlap pattern, we have a bullish Gartley that has reached the first target. And of course, we have a crab pattern. So no doubt on the second completion of the back pattern, or rather a retest on the Gartley, the price flew off. If you have managed to buy here, congratulations, I did, and I managed to exit over here because I read candlestick chart. Right now, I'm waiting for second chance entry to buy it back up again. Alright, so I'm waiting for a buying opportunity, and I'll see closely how the market react at 1.2955 on that. Alright, down to the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, nothing much. This is the same Gartley that you have seen just now earlier on. So that's all I have for you today. If you are looking to learn how to trade yourself and analyze, don't miss on the 5th of February, which is Wednesday. Usually I don't do workshop on Wednesday because Wednesday I have this Facebook Live. Morning I have networking event. It's kind of my weekly routine and the busiest day of the week. Kind of the second busiest day is usually on a Tuesday. Alright, so I do it because I want to, and apart from that, the rest of my schedule in February is kind of booked. So I think it's better to do it on 5th of February. Scan the QR code on the bottom right. This might just be the only workshop we are doing in February. And of course, if you are looking to get into the community, the private community that we have, that myself and Calvin are sharing trading ideas, whereas our entry stops and targets. Even we share our videos firsthand on a Saturday or Sunday, usually before Monday market open. Then you get to see what we are looking at, and you have a heads up on that. Alright, so if you love that, hit on there and choose under product traders package. Alright, so till then, remember always plan your trade and your plan, and I'm looking forward to see you soon. See you guys.